This is a real small apartment kitchen in the US, no pantry, barely any counter space. And somehow, you still have to cook every day. If your kitchen feels frustrating before you even start cooking, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll see how I fixed 4 of the most common small kitchen problems. Without remodeling, without custom cabinets, and without spending a lot of money, just simple fixes that actually work. Most apartment kitchens in the US fail in the same 4 places. The sink gets overcrowded, the counter disappears instantly. Cabinets are deep but wasted, and extra storage barely exists. So instead of buying random gadgets, I fixed my kitchen one zone at a time. In a small kitchen, the sink area breaks first. You wash a few dishes, and suddenly there's no counter space left. Everything feels cramped, and the mess spreads fast. This is the most flexible solution I've found for small apartment sinks. An expandable dish drying rack. It stays compact most days and extends only when you actually need more space. Most people mention the same thing in reviews. It fits sinks that standard racks don't. That flexibility is what makes it work in apartments. This part matters. Measure your sink first. This rack is designed for small spaces, not full-size kitchens. In small apartments, counter space disappears fast. Once you start cooking, there's nowhere to put anything. And the kitchen feels crowded immediately. This is how I added usable space without remodeling. A slim rolling storage cart. It adds vertical storage and keeps everyday items off the counter. A lot of reviews say the same thing. It fits into gaps people didn't even notice before. That's why it works so well in tiny kitchens. Width matters here. Slim carts work where regular shelves won't. Always measure first. Deep cabinets look useful, but things get pushed to the back and forgotten. You stack items, wrap by things you already own, and dig every time you cook. This looks boring, but this one saved me more time than anything else. A pull-out cabinet basket. You slide it out and see everything at once. Many people said the same thing. They stopped losing items in the back of the cabinet. Visibility is the real upgrade here. Cabinet depth matters here. Measure before buying. I've linked everything below so you can check sizes easily. Most apartment kitchens waste the space under the sink. Pipes get in the way, and storage becomes awkward or unusable. This is the most practical under-sink solution I've found. A 2-tier expandable shelf that works around plumbing and turns dead space into storage. Many reviews mentioned the same surprise. It works even with awkward pipe layouts. Just measure first. Because under-sink space is never standard. This setup isn't about making your kitchen look fancy. It's about making it usable. Most US apartments weren't designed for people who cook every day. The smartest fix isn't remodeling. It's fixing each zone. If you're setting up a small apartment kitchen on a budget, I've linked every product below, so you can check the exact sizes and prices. These aren't random gadgets. They're what actually made my kitchen easier to live with.